friend, my name is Pratama. I study in Mechatronic Polytechnic of Sanata Dharma, Department Product Design of Mechatronic. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, now I will tell you again about article Human Resource Must Adapt to Face Industry 4.0 from the Jakarta Post to answer question mid-test. Okay, in this day, an human resource must adapt to new technology to adequately prepare for the coming of the fourth industrial revolution. Therefore, the coming of the fourth industrial revolution will bring rapid technological progress and change the nature of work and change skill work. But as time develop, human always innovate to create new technology to help human work in terms of helping technology created by humans. This doesn't not mean to completely reduce human labor to the heavy job, but it reduces a little manpower because it is assisted by machine. As it already exists today, industrial machine in manufacturing and the other industries are already very sophisticated. On average, all machine can work quickly and efficiently like humans, because basically is an industrial revolution that recommends change in technology, change natural improvement and increasing demand for the labor. In in the world of businesses, human resource to go into businesses to visit the less industrial, then from that human resource must really manage well, because otherwise they will try to develop the less industrial development. In my view, as a designer of mechatronic product design, to enter the industrial revolution 4.0, we must be able to get abreast of development in technology, starting slowly and fundamentally. If human resource are not managed properly, it will be outdated and cannot after the industrial revolution 4.0. As said that innovation now allow to work in more advanced ways that will also add value to their respective companies and also to meet the demands of industrial revolution 4.0 that bring technological advances that make and change the nature of work, as well as improving skill work. Therefore, the impact of technology in the world of work cannot be avoided, and we need to know that the most important action for this is responding to digital development to optimize the workforce and talent of workers, especially for the human resource department at the company, which is the root of the company, not only not good a leader, led a company, but the company can develop rapidly if its human resource can develop properly. For that, human resource need to be managed properly, because the transition to Industry Revolution 4.0 has also become a problem for the government. It is necessary for the mastery of technology, because technology can directly increase the capacity of department to contribute in optimizing human resource to support the development of Industry Revolution 4.0. So we need to focus on manufacturing to help adjust and also increase competitive in industrial field. As a mechatronic represent, looking at the development of Industrial Revolution 4.0, I believe this fourth industrial revolution is a very good and right scale. Change in the field of technology, therefore human resource need to be trained to work quickly and skillfully. Even in small industries nowadays, many people use machines that are showcased and now to meet market demands. As saw yesterday in small and medium businesses in the industry of making shirt, fish, and well as making briquettes from coconut wash. Ingredients used coconut. In the small and medium businesses already using a very sophisticated machine, and all the machine are very efficient enough to process all the ingredients that will be processed into coconut briquettes and shelled fish. Although in small and medium businesses are still using several people to operate the machine, but when viewed in terms of technological development, both example of small and medium businesses have followed the development of the fourth industrial revolution 4.0, which had all the process of working on materials to the point that the goods were working on almost all process manually now, but not using machine. If the machine continue to be development and modified, it will greatly have a good impact on the development of small industry. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 has a positive and negative impact. Namely, the negative impact is that social separation can occur between communicators, because there is a change in technology and the development of advance in the internet. Of example, online shopping, GoFood, and many more. Example of the past positive from the Industrial Revolution 4.0, things with the help of existing and development technology. Okay friend, I think enough explanation from me. about Industrial Revolution 4.0 may be useful. Thank you for watching. See you in next my vlog.